Hey guys, it's Phil with another Toothpick update. I got a chance to do a little racing against Sean Nytfury and Chance Freefall. As you can see here, got some DVR of the flight. Flew pretty well. We had about 9-mile-an-hour winds when we were racing here, and thought I'd just show what it can kind of do, at least what I can do with a toothpick in a kind of a race environment. Had fun with it. Flew fairly well with it. So check that out. Also, later in this video, I'm going to show a little review of the Rotorx props, as well as the new Taco RC 65mm King Kong kind of clones. So continue and stay tuned for that. Okay, so as you can see, I didn't beat Nytfury or Freefall. Big surprise there, but had a good flight, and they did pretty well. So on to the other prop reviews. Alright, so I got the new Taco RC props in, which are the 65mm with the 1.5mm hole size for all the motors, like the 1103 Amax with the 1.5mm shaft. I just flew them for the first time just in the front yard. Didn't even do a real flight, just to hover, because I had a lot of vibration issues, which I'll show you. But what I want to do while I have them here is just compare them. So here's a bag of the King Kongs, and then these are the Taco RCs. So as far as I can tell, they're exactly the same. The material seems to be about the same. It looks, yeah, you see there, it looks about the same. Pitch seems to be about the same as well, but just not getting any kind of, I don't know, I'm just getting a lot of vibrations and making some weird sounds. Let's get some video of what it sounds like. At first it sounds okay, and then as soon as I give it any throttle, just sounds, it's got that terrible sound. I was getting a lot of lines in the video, so not happy. Okay, also want to do another little update. I also have the Rotorx RX 2535 props. I did try them in the bi-blade configuration. Had to use the screws, could not get it even with some dental floss to stay tight without them. Didn't like their performance. I'm going to try it in the quad blade configuration and give it a shot. Alright, so here we are with the RX 2535s. See some wobbles there. You know, it doesn't fly bad, besides, see a little bit of instability there. Good around corners. And that kind of mid throttle, it's really gets shaky. Alright, I kind of punch it out here a little bit, give you an idea of the power. I think this is with the throttle limited, so it's not quite 100% throttle there. Pretty punchy, you know, flies pretty well if it just didn't have those vibrations. But this video should give you an idea of how these Rotorx props fly. Still, Avan's quite a bit smoother. Maybe not quite as responsive, but yeah, I'm still liking the Avans. And here's one last clip with the Avan Rushes. Still love these things, nice and smooth, still pretty quick, turns great, good efficiency, have long flight times with these. The last props I'm planning on trying are the Azure Power 2.5-inch props, so give those a shot, and then whatever Kabab comes out with for some new props, hopefully something like the King Kongs with the 1.5mm shafts that fly better than the Taco RC ones. Laters, guys.